This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Celeste Ukashevsky. Nothing to do here but move right into this cozy, refreshing 3-bedroom, 2-full-bath home conveniently located in the hamlet of Glasco. Beautiful hardwood floors, brand new kitchen, replacement windows, municipal water and sewer, just to mention a few of the wonderful highlights this home offers. Endless possibilities in the finished lower-level space, which is heated and has access from inside as well as through the breezeway. It is versatile and can adapt to your personal needs, such as a game/media room, guest suite or office. The detached oversized 2-car garage offers plenty of storage space as well as workspace. Spacious rear yard is fenced with a pergola, fire pit and plenty of room for play, pets and a garden. Once you see it, you will want it for your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Celeste Ukashevsky at 845-336-2633.